Hi. So it's always something, you know. Hope you're all doing well.
Wow, where is it? There it is. On the wrong fucking side.
Live rounds. Set a Watch this. A civilian is coming up to these guys.
I can direct you to the public affairs office. They have a part of the U.S. Army. Yes, sir. Here is our friend. So this is where we're like talking about J-Town or something like that going on. No. How is it not different? What's that? How is it not different? These are separate. All those direct you to the Yeah, we'll get the van running though. You're here. No, not at all. Yeah, you guys are conducting military exercises in a residential area. See, I'm not authorized to speak on behalf. So in other words, you're basically doing what you're ordered to do. I'm providing security. So later on they can hurt us more. No, not at all. Yeah. I'm here for your guys' protection. Oh, you want me to believe that? You conduct experiments right here right on this. They're not experiments, sir. Oh yeah, they are. They're loud explosions, a series of them. You're using an abandoned building. Right. In the midst of a residential area.
Take fire in the hole. Hey, we need to move down, please. Yes, sir.
You're U.S. Army?
Yes, sir.
And we're not supposed to be concerned about you dressed as civilian.
It's just so it doesn't create You have dog tags?
You have dog tags? You have ID?
Yeah.
I have an ID card. Come on down. This is okay, thank you. Yeah, this is a third world country. We're supposed to let What are you guys planning for this?
And they're also doing military exercises. And it's like, we may or may not die now. Oh my God, Josh, you're serious. So, bombs over Flint, So that's crazy. The word.
gotta go. Hey, Richard.
Video
Oh, hey.
is giving me a hard
Good,
time.
how are you?
Let's see what happens.
So we out here downtown Flint on the strip, right? South Saginaw, we down here. Trying not to get hurt by debris falling. Exactly, because they flying over Churchill as we speak on them. But really though, I guess there's some military going on in a city full of people. This is not a, you can see people are walking around enjoying the nightlife in Flint. I don't know who that was, but we're gonna wave. There go the police. The city of Flint, Michigan. For some reason, we're having military urban exercises in a city full of people. And this is not really broadcast either. Talk about police state, martial law. Talk about all of that. You hear that? What's going on? In a city full of people. Yeah, it's on the land. On the building next to Churchill. It's a city full of people. I'm just gonna keep saying. Landing on top of the building next to Churchill is a city full of people. And look, ironically, there goes your American flag waving. Debris and everything's flying everywhere because they're landing. Like I said, people are walking around here. This is what's happening in a city full of people. I cannot keep saying this. Michigan, June 7th, 2015. 12:11 a.m. I just want to keep putting emphasis. This is what's happening in the city of Flint, in a city of Flint. See that? I'm just saying. Do you see this? Do you see this, guys? Do you see this? This is happening in a city full of people, okay? In America, in the United States of America, in a city full of people, in Flint, Michigan. Do you hear that? That's all I want you to know. See the lights flickering? And in the meantime, we're all out here. This is happening. In a city full of people. I cannot stress this. Coming to an American city near you. Because if it can happen in Flint, it can happen anywhere. And you know what's even more bizarre is how calm I am while this is all happening. And I'm just giving you guys an eye report like I'm on CNN. And I'm sitting in my car. Said people are walking. And I'm just calmly giving you guys a report. This is Gia representing Gia's World. But this is what, in my opinion, is a police state, martial law, right here in the United States of America. The supposed land of the free. In a city full of people in Flint, Michigan. And that has been my iReport.
Alright, so I'm wrapping this up. Anyone around here, just want you to know what's coming. Jade Helm Drills. Alright, they're not calling it Jade Helm Drills anymore. It's got a new name. But anyways. So, let's see. Nine mil. They're picking up 9 mils and 50 calibers from the ground. Trying to find a list of the counties. I know one's up next to me, but I want to see the rest of them. Give people a heads up on what might be over you. Alright, so it was mistook as criminal activity and someone got killed. So anyways, I can't find the list of the counties and I'm just going to probably wrap it up there. I just wanted to bring a heads up to what's going on. To anyone that lives in the Carolinas, North Carolina is the one. Alright. God bless everyone. I'm not saying this is anything other than what they're saying. I'm just saying, you know, things have happened and, you know, always be at the ready. Always at the ready. You can never be unprepared or sorry. Alright. This was posted August 21st. And it starts the 30th. Friday the 30th, I believe. I believe that's right. Alright.